Welcome to this webinar hosted by Orders in Seconds and 4Lane on the topic of having problems managing your inventory using QuickBooks? Talk to an expert. In this video, we will be reviewing the frequently asked question, which QuickBooks is right for me? But before we get started, let's learn a little bit more about our speakers. Our speakers today are Lori Walsh and Frank Monterrosa. Lori Walsh is a 4Lane partner and QuickBooks expert, which will be answering the frequently asked questions we've received from OIS customers who need help managing their inventory in QuickBooks Desktop and online. A little bit more about Lori. Lori works with customers from many different industries, including e-commerce, manufacturing, and retail. She has more than 30 years experience in accounting and management, with a master's in business administration from Ashford University. Lori is an Inuit Certified Pro Advisor with advanced certifications in QuickBooks Enterprise and QuickBooks Time. Frank Monterrosa is her co-host today. He is the OIS Product Specialist who will be assisting Lori in asking the frequently asked questions and any additional questions that come up during the webinar regarding our OIS mobile solutions and integrations with QuickBooks. A little bit more about Frank. Frank graduated with honors and earned his bachelor's in marketing and advertising. He has participated in many leadership and entrepreneurship courses with more than 15 years of experience in customer service, marketing, and sales. Currently, he manages the US and Latin American markets for Orders in Seconds. Now that you know a little bit more about our speakers, let's review the answer to which QuickBooks is right for me.
Some of the things that we want to talk to you about, right, to be able to determine which product is best is what are we trying to do? Do we need inventory? Do we need multiple sites? And in those multiple sites, how do we need to move the inventory around? Do we need serial numbers? Like food and medical, right? They are going to need those lot numbers. Some of them need serial numbers if it's like something with automotive. So those questions can help us determine the best product that you're going to need. And then also, it helps us to get to know kind of what you're doing on your side and the pain points. That also allows us that ability to right suit for the product that you're going to need.
Excellent. Lori, now that you are on the first question, look, I'm really excited about this because many of our customers have been asking us, hey, why you don't give us a webinar about the about QuickBooks? And just to ask you a frequent question that I've been asked in the past is, if I have a distribution company that buys and sells finished products, which is the right QuickBooks for me? Is it the desktop? Is it the online? That's the question that we have today.
Most of the time, if it's inventory and we're heavy in inventory, we almost always will go with the desktop product, just because the way the inventory is set up in there. Doesn't mean we cannot use the online version, but some of those key factors are going to be, do we have the multiple inventory sites? Do we need multiple units of measure? I know that's something we're probably going to talk about more later, but it's going to be that conversation with the client and just say, what exactly are you needing? Because 4Lane goes with, we want you to be able to make data-driven decisions. And in order to do that, we need to know what data you're either not getting or what result you need at the end, right? And then we can help. But again, most of the time for the inventory, most of our clients are in enterprise.
Perfect. Thank you, Lori. Look, since we deal with a lot of businesses in the food and beverage industry, and normally, these companies deal with perishable products. They must keep track of lots and expiration dates. So if that is the case, QuickBooks will be best. The desktop version?
Actually, Enterprise as of 23, so the newest release has expiration dates in the Enterprise Diamond and Platinum versions. It also allows for lot numbers and serial numbers. So we could definitely help them get those set up, but it will support that in the system without having to have a secondary system, right?
Okay,
or
perfect.
spreadsheet.